completed the project.
No problem. Those who have not done, it's fine. We'll be doing it today. Try to finish it off today. And even if you're not able to finish it up today, no problem. In the next class, you can continue because we took 3 classes for this
Ma'am, today
work.
3 classes we have.
No. In all, for this project work, we thought of 3 classes. So today is the 3rd class, right? On Monday, we had 2 classes and today will be the 3rd one. So children, please try to finish off the work by today. Why so less students are here in class? In other classes also, there was such low strength.
Ma'am, everybody tired. Ma'am, I am not tired.
Everybody is tired and you're not tired. Yes, I can see. 4 of you are not tired. Okay, Lakshay, how much have you done? Lakshay, can I see how much you have done? Lakshay is not replying. Are you even there in the class, beta?
Ma'am, please see my sewage water.
Oh God, very nice. Very good.
Excuse
So
me,
you
ma'am.
have shown it perfectly that how this dirty water is entering a neat and clean water body. Such a neat and clean water body and such dirty water is entering there. Very nice.
Ma'am,
Yes,
we do,
Noel?
ma'am, we do the outline also.
Yes, you must do it. It will simply make your poster very beautiful.
Ma'am, can I do with this marker?
Which color it is? Black?
Ma'am, black.
Yes,
Ma'am, black.
do it, beta, do it. What about other students?
Ma'am,
Yes,
in
Noel, are you
the
asking
medical,
What?
ma'am, in the medical waste, why are the syringes being wasted? Can't the doctors and the nurses wash it?
No, beta. It is not to be reused.
Ma'am, but
Those
why?
are what? Those are disposable syringes.
Ma'am, means?
Disposable means just one time use. Once you have used them, then they are to be disposed of. They can't be reused. Even those gloves and all, they should not be reused. Because there is a high risk of infection being transferred. What about Karthik? Karthik, how much have you done your project work? Pratyush Pal. Now the students I'm calling out.
Ma'am,
Yes?
ma'am, I have drawn 4. Ma'am, I have drawn 4 things.
Very nice. Very good. Now the students the names of the students I'm calling out today. I want to see your work, beta. Rest all have shown me. Pratyush, you have not shown. Karthik, you have not shown.
Ma'am,
I didn't know.
You don't know what is. Just wait. Just wait. What is Karthik saying to me?
I was absent on that day.
You were absent. So are you ready with your chart paper? I told you on Saturday that on Monday you have to be ready with your chart paper. Are you ready with your chart paper, Karthik? No? No. Then see, students are making such beautiful posters. Krishav, show your poster in front of the camera. See, what you're supposed to make, Karthik, you're supposed to make types of waste. There are different types. There are 8 different types of waste given in the chapter waste management. So you have to show each kind of waste in a picture form.
Ma'am.
Beta, let me finish.
Ma'am.
See on page number 134, Karthik. Down in the paragraph, it is written types of waste. Now, each kind of waste you have to draw and show. Any one kind of water waste, any one kind of solid, any one kind of organic, like that. So you have to make a poster of 8 different wastes. Now, Pratyush, say.
Ma'am, on Monday, ma'am, first class I have joined, ma'am. In that class, I have drawn 3 things, ma'am. And at the Monday, ma'am, there was 2 class, ma'am. Last class, ma'am, my mother was gone somewhere, so I don't have mobile, so I have not joined, ma'am. I have only drawn 3 things now.
So do it now. Don't waste time talking, no? Start doing it. What about Apurva and Shaurya? How much have you done? Riddhi Agarwal, what about you, beta? How much have you done?
Ma'am, I have not started.
Why? Why you have not started? Children are almost on the finish. Do you know how important it is to do this work? You will be given marks for this work, beta. Don't take this work lightly. Every student has to do it. There are students of your class only who are working so hard on this project work, on these posters. You should do it in the same way. Start doing it, Riddhi. It's okay if you have not done so far, but start doing it now. Whatever you will write, you have to do it in capital letters. Now you will not see any picture on page number 134. It is just given in written form, the types of wastes. Now, when you draw these types of wastes, what you can do is you can Google the pictures if you want. Okay? Got it?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Adeshika, what are you doing, beta? Beta, unmute yourself. Yes. What are you doing? Have you made the poster?
Yes, ma'am, color is black.
All right, do it, beta. Very nice, Krisha. It's looking very beautiful. Now click a picture and send it to me. Or send it on the class group. Do one thing. All those who have done, please send your work on the class group. I'm going to acknowledge your work over there. Everybody just hurry up.